Welcome to Bali. And thank you for choosing this tour. Be ready for a full-day fun trip. Starting at river rafting adventure in Ubud, then in the afternoon, exploring the exotic Tanah Lot Temple with a magnificent silhouette sunset. It sounds exciting, doesn't it? Don't wait. And let's go with us now. The adventure is begun. Paddle, splash and thrill to the rhythm of the Paradise River. The professionally trained guide will safely maneuver you through around 12 kilometers of exciting rapids. Here you will discover hidden waterfalls, swim in the pristine water, and enjoy the spectacular scenery of the Ayung River Valley. Before reaching Tanah Lot Temple, the journey stopover at Sacred Monkey Forest nearby Ubud. Here, see the funny yet wise monkeys, inhabiting both the trees and the temple there. The trip continues, visiting a royal temple of Mengwi Kingdom. Initially, the temple was built because of the pretense that existed at that time the distance from local communities. Hence, the king established a shrine, with several buildings as a symbol of the 9 main temples. Tanah Lot is a rock temple. It has a mysterious, yet classic, and beauty. It was built on a huge rock right in the middle of the ocean, takes you way back into its timeless journey. When the sun comes down, a magnificent romantic sunset wraps the temple, look like a fantastic silhouette picture. This moment is sure enough to make you feel good, particularly on the spiritual level. At the end of the journey, enjoy delicious Indonesian dishes at the restaurant with a natural Balinese ambience. The tour is available, please book now. BaliTourist.tours offer the best service ever. We granted an automatic confirmation through the online payment system.